What's up, YouTube? Your boy 228 Chevy Box right here with a little update. Got my motor running, and I'm gonna give y'all a little video of it running. But I was sitting there being stupid and forgot one little small thing to change, and that was my thermostat and gasket. So I said, well, let me go ahead and put this on, because I sure forgot about it when I was putting my motor in. So that's what I'm doing right now. About to change this little thermostat out and everything. So give me a little second and I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. And as you can see, my guess was right. No damn thermostat. Ain't that a bitch? So yeah, I'm glad I actually caught that, because I couldn't remember from the first time when I rebuilt this motor about a year ago if I put one in, but come to find out, I didn't have one. So I'm glad I double checked that. So now the only thing is, go ahead and put one on, because this weather down here in Mississippi, you never damn know what the weather gonna be. Like yesterday, it was damn warm. Damn Christmas Day, we having damn rain and cold weather like it wasn't nothing. Now back this morning, it's right back cold. So that's what I deal with living in South Mississippi. So, but yeah, I'm glad I caught this. So now I can put this thermostat on here, and I ain't got to worry about my baby overheating and that. Yeah, because yesterday I just drove around a little bit, and I just kept saying to myself, I said, damn, I don't know if I did that. So this was a good little thing that I checked it and caught it before I created another damn issue. So one thing about YouTube, always go with your first mind. But get my thing here. Alright, YouTube. Had to go and give me a different gasket, because this little damn paper gasket, this ain't what it do. I mean, even though it's 99 cents, that ain't what it do. So I went back to the parts store, got me a Fel Pro one, and as you see, sealed on both sides. It's the thick kind. So, well, ain't that some shit? That dropped the damn gasket. But this one, a whole lot better. I recommend this for anybody. So, it's reusable. It's double sealed on both sides, so you won't have to have an issue with it. So, go and get that kind when you're doing your thermostat gasket. Don't be messing with that shit. So, let me get it back together and be right back. Alright, YouTube, got it back on now. I don't see no leaks, so it's like, I know y'all saying, damn, it sound loud, but I got a little exhaust leak back here on the other side. Let me see if y'all can see it from down here. I don't think you can really see it. Now at the muffler shop getting my little piece fixed. Man, I called hell trying to find a shop that was open on Saturday, but finally found one, getting that little piece put all in. So man, it's just a matter of time letting them finish welding it up, and now I can kill that loud ass noise. So that's pretty much the progress on it. So I sure appreciate everybody, looking at my video and subscribing and commenting. Just keep doing that, showing me love, and I sure appreciate it. But I just wanted to show you, this is probably gonna be my next project. Change all these fuel lines and stuff like that. Probably gonna go ahead and change my gas tank. So it's looking a little rusty. It ain't really rusty bad, but before it even start, I'm gonna go ahead and change that. So that's gonna be my next little thing, and redo my springs and shocks. You know, try to change all that stuff out, and maybe after that I'll decide to go ahead and do my muffler. So that's pretty much all that I got for right now. So just stay tuned and keep subscribing for all the newcomers, and keep leaving comments, all my fans, and let's just see what comes next for the box.